In a quiet patch of land on the northern slope of El Sereno Mountain, tucked in between Los Gatos and Saratoga, you'll find an affluent community of about 4,000 people. With rolling foothills, thick with lush green forests under the warm California sun, the best of American living awaits you here. Hi, this is Dawn Thomas with Silicon Valley and Beyond.tv, and welcome to Monte Sereno. The community of Monte Sereno is completely residential with no commercial zoning, which preserves the feel of country living. That said, downtown Los Gatos is a very short drive southeast on Highway 9. Head northwest on Highway 9 for a short drive and you'll find yourself in Saratoga Village for more choices. Monte Sereno's country living means that it's not just having access to nature, but already being in it. The beautiful El Sereno Open Space Preserve, with great trails for hiking and biking, sits at the south end of Monte Sereno. You can find the trailhead to the Overlook Trail and access to the preserve at the south end of Overlook Drive. There are no schools in Monte Sereno, so families send their children to both Saratoga and Los Gatos schools, which happen to be some of the best in the entire country. The tranquility of country living in perfect weather. Monte Sereno living is like no other place on earth. Come see for yourself. This is Dawn Thomas with Silicon Valley and Beyond.tv, and thank you so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate you.